Welcome back viewers. In this video we are going to display brands. Let's start. First of all, open your terminal, then navigate to your project folder. In my case it is in desktop, and then inside desktop is my shop, the name of my project folder. Then if I do ls, you can see my project files are here. So now I will open my VS Code. Now you can see my VS Code is open. I will run the program python run.py, and this is the file I'm going to run. So now you can see my program is running. If I open my browser, write localhost, you can see this is the website we are building now. I will change this drop down to the brands, and this link should be all. So let's start. Go to here in the route of products, and what I will do here, I will just write brands equal to brand.query.all. So then I will just copy simply this brand from here and paste it here, and then paste it here again. Now if I go to here in index.html, I will just change this link to /, it will go to directly home, and then I will change it to all product, and this download should be brands. And the remove other file, I will just leave this one, and then I will use here for loop and write just for brand in brands, and then after the a tag we will end the for. So end for. Now the name of action will be our file brand's name, and we will simply write brand dot name. So now if I refresh, now you can see these all are the name of our Apple, Samsung, and these all are the brands. But when I click, there is nothing, so we have to get this. So come to in route, and I will define another function. First we will the decorator app.route, and then slash, I will give it brand, and then greater than int, maybe we need that for the ID, and then close it and define get brand, and then ID, and I will simply just copy and paste this HTML for the brand, and I will remove these things here. I will write here brand equal to add product dot query, and then we write here filter by, this will be brand underscore ID equal to ID, and this brand ID is if you go to in the model, you can see this is here is the brand ID. And now I will simply pass this brand to here, comma brand equal to brand, and now we have this brand, and I will come to an HTML. Inside the HTML, I will simply copy this from for loop and paste it one line before, and then I will say if brands, here we have the name of brand, here the variable name is brand, so I will say if brand, then we will display this one, else we will display this home product, and I will simply close this if the last of all for loop, so end if, and then I will come here and paste this here. I will just come to here and make this change. This brand, I will make it B, so we can see this is only B. I will copy this B and change all product to the B. You can see here B, and this should be also B, this should be also B, and this should be also B. Everything here should be B. So now save, and if now we run the program, we have got an expected token got brand. Now you got this in, oh, this should be in, and now you can see this is here. I forgot that B, and this B I forgot, so let's now try. Yeah, now you can see here we have, if I go to Apple, or we don't. So now if I come here and write URL underscore 4 and then get underscore brand and comma ID equal to brand dot ID. Save the program and refresh and run. Now you can see these all are Apple brand, and then we go here, we can see nothing, and we will change it later. And if I go to Samsung, we have one on Samsung. If I go to Nokia, we have one in Nokia, and if I go to Dell, we have nothing. So now we have to change if there's empty, so we don't have to display that empty brand here. So we don't need that. So let's do it now. So everything is fine here. Come to in route. What we can do here, you can see we are in brands. So I will do just write join, and we are going to join this table, and after this one comma and then parenthesis, and then we will write we have joined brand dot ID equal to, and that add product dot brand ID, then dot all. We need this and nothing more. If I refresh, now go back, you can see the result here. Now you see we are only displaying these things. So now the remaining thing is I will just copy this and paste it here. Go one step back and then copy this brands, paste it here, and save the program. Our program is running, so that means there is no error. If I go now here, refresh, you see we have only these things. If I see the brands here, then you can see here again, we can see if I click the Apple, we have these apples. If I go to Nokia, we have only one Nokia, and Samsung, only one Samsung. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.